In this video, we will show you how to measure the track's width. The track's width depends on whether you want a ceiling or wall mount, and whether you want the curtains to cover the entire wall or just the window. If you want to make the room appear taller, we would recommend a ceiling mount. However, if you have crown moldings, you must do a wall mount. If you have a big gap between your window and your ceiling, you should also do a wall mount. In such cases, we would recommend measuring the wall mount 6 to 10 inches above where the window starts. First, measure the height, which depends on whether you will use a ceiling or wall mount. For a ceiling mount, please provide the height by measuring from the floor to the ceiling. For a wall mount, please provide the height by measuring from the floor to the top of where you would like to hang the wall mount. From here, we will calculate the length of the curtains. By default, the curtain will hang 1/4 of an inch above the floor. However, if you would like it to be longer or shorter, please include this request in the notes with the order. Second, measure the width, which depends on whether you want the curtains to cover the entire wall or just the window. If you want to cover the window only, please measure the width of the window. You may want to think about how far out you'd want the curtains to go when fully open. If you would like the window to be entirely visible when the curtains are fully open and your space allows for it, you can choose to add up to 20 extra inches to your width, which is up to 10 extra inches of track space and drapery on each side. If you want to cover the entire wall, please provide us with the width by measuring wall to wall. If you want the curtains to open in the middle, please order 2 curtains that are each half the width of the track size. Otherwise, your curtains will only open to one side. Now that you've done all the measuring, you can move on to the next video, which shows the installation process.